Yo, I'm Nez, drop another review on y'all, and this time what we're going to be doing a review of is the BAM. This is it says the Walfos, but really it's by Elegant Life, but because that says Walfos and this is Walfos all over it, we're going to go with that. The Walfos silicone cooking covers. Now, this is what made me try these out is because I seen something with Rachel Ray on the QVC. She had a version of them, which is overpriced, obviously, of these silicone covers. Basically, they're like spill covers, but they do a lot more than that. You can actually cook with these and replace your actual pot lids. So we're gonna put that to the test. Over there to the left, I got me a pot of hot water heating up because I'm going to be making some ravioli, and we're going to use one of these to cover it up. And so let's get right into this. So this is, you see, is what you get. This is how it came to me. Wrapped up in plastic. There's 5 of them, 5 different colors, bong for different sizes of pots and cups and stuff. It's by Walfos, as you see there. Focus in on there. You can read all that stuff there. Bong. Right. So the thing that caught my eye about this is that the fact, here goes your barcode, stuff like that. Little warning there. Plastic bag, normal plastic bag warnings, not a toy, keep away from kids, blah, yada, yada, yada. The thing that caught my eye about this is when Rachel Ray was doing it, she had these, or her version of these. This is a cheaper version of it that, in my opinion, when I looked on the internet around them, there's a whole bunch of the ones that she didn't do on QVC, but different, no name brands of them, similar to this, that did the exact same thing for a lot less money. So I found one on Amazon, you know how I do, and we're gonna go with that. But what caught my attention with these is the fact that she was using, after she put it on the pot, it like self-sealed to the pot, and then she was able to literally lift the pot up, like literally lift the pot up with the handle here just from this. So these basically are strong enough and they create enough of a suction so where you can like cook with them, and they withstand heat up to 500 degrees, and it literally, you can lift the pot with them. So we're gonna put that to the test. I got my little 10-inch pot over there. I'm going to take this big one because this looks like it might be too small. And real quick, let's do a little quick test. Right now I have it on the counter, and literally on the counter, it's literally stuck to the counter. Stuck to the counter, look at that. And you can easily lift it up by picking up the side. And as you lift it up, you hear like little like a static situation going on there. So I'm sure somehow, some way, somehow static has something to do with that. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's get this one because that one was too small. Okay. But the main point is that it literally lifted it up. But I think this has something to do with it because the spout comes down a little bit, so it lets some air get in there. But I think what happens is when you press down on it, some air, it forces a little air out, and therefore it makes it so that way it becomes airtight. So let's get this popping over here. Let's take these two sizes and see what we're working with. Will this one fit? It's not big enough. Barely. So we're going to use the bigger one. Got the water boiling, as you see. So I'm going to throw this on the Walfos bong. So it's covering it all, as you see. So we're going to see. Let's see. It's literally trying. It's like it's hard to get the grip from the middle. But literally, as you see, I'm like moving the pot around. And you see how much water. It's half filled with water. So obviously, if it was lighter, let's do this pot over here. So I got this pot right here. I'm gonna throw this one on. Bong. And it's literally lifting the pot off just from this. See, no camera tricks. So you know that's an airtight seal. That's what I'm talking about. I just replaced, and I'm literally cooking. This is literally cooking right now, boiling water. So, yo, I literally just replaced my lids. I can get rid of these bad boys. Why do I need them? I just put this, and it saves so much room. 5 of these, all of these could fit in my drawer down there instead of my pots and my lids. This is awesome. I highly recommend this. Highly, highly, highly. Let me show you. This is what we have here. Bong. Well worth the price. Well worth it. So I'm going to say highly recommend this. Definitely cop that. I'll put this link in the description so you can get this one, or there's some other versions of them. Get what suits your fancy. Use my link if you want to get this one, or if you just want to buy anyone, because you know, I may make a little bit, you know, if you use my link to go in there. I'm not going to front. If you use my link to go in there and buy anything in Amazon at that point in time, I'll make a little bit of it on that. So help me out. Get that. You won't be sorry. It's something you definitely can use. And see, ooh, it's hot. That bad boy is hot. But as you see, water boiling. Put this back. Bong. Look, it pushed it back up because the water is boiling. Look at that. So, with that being said, I'm Nez, up in the kitchen, dropping another impromptu review on you with the, as you see here, it says Elegant Life, but the logo on it says Walfos. Silicone, microwavable cooking food covers. I'm Nez, and I'm out this piece. Cop that. I put the links in the description.